you know that, yeah, you know that, yeah, you know it. We're just getting started, baby.
Hello, kings and queens. Welcome back to another premiere, and I hope everyone is doing well. I am so excited again, as I always say, just to share this experience with you guys. And today is a loaded video. I had an action-packed weekend. I was doing so much. I was out of the house, and yeah, the whole of Sunday I spent indoors. So guys, buckle up because we going on a journey. Yay. So let's start with Saturday, guys. I started by going on a team building session that was sponsored by my workplace. I had a lot of food, a lot of team building games that we did and activities. We drank good drinks, guys, juice and everything. Yeah, and we got to bond with even our bosses. It was such an awesome experience, guys. So I decided to loop you guys in, and this was the place. We were just getting inside the gate, and I tried to film here and there as soon as much as I could, because I didn't want to film people's faces. So yeah, let's go watch this, guys, and I hope you love it.
You've been on my mind. I could touch the sky. Starlights, I'll be running up and down, trying to think about you all the time.
And guess what, guys? When we got there, the tea was ready. The people that got there early did a really good job. God bless them. And at the same time, the lunch was already started being made. And yeah, this is part of the vegetables that we had for lunch. And as you can see here, we already have beef. This was used to make the beef stew. That was really nice. It tasted so good. And they already have this mixture, the dough and the carrots. This was actually for the chapatis. And this is just to fast forward to after lunch, after the team building activities. We were having lunch, guys, and just watch and see what we ate, guys.
I've been staying outside, yeah, so I don't think about life, yeah. Can you tell me a lie? 'Cause I can't take it, I can't take it. You got me feeling alright, yeah. Every day by your side, yeah. Can you tell me a lie? 'Cause I can't take it, I can't take it. I don't wanna think about it every day. You know that you kinda wanna feel the same way. So much time, you just had to pretend. I've been so lost, I just wanna run away. Run away right now. I gotta go, I'm wasting my attention. You've been on my mind. I could touch the sky. Starlights, I'll be running up and down, trying to think about you all the time. I don't really need to apologize.
And guys what? I went crazy with serving the ugali. I just put a lot in my plate that I couldn't finish. I ended up throwing like more than half of it. I felt bad, guys. Yeah, but above all, the food was interesting. So this is the fruit punch we had, the one you can see on the table. I think it was made from gin, and the fruits, watermelon, a lot of cucumber, Yeah, there's also a bit of mint leaves that were put inside. It was just, I don't know, a fruit punch, guys. It's just a mixture of those things, those things. Okay.
I've been staying outside, yeah, so I don't think about life, yeah. Can you tell me a lie? 'Cause I can't take it, I can't take it. You got me feeling alright, yeah. Every day by your side.
Today I had fun. I really slept like a baby during the night, just thinking of how exciting the day was, and yeah, it was truly necessary. But I also got glad that I got home back safely, and I was able to find my son also safe and sound. So this was the day after. I just started by rinsing off the sink. Then I'll go ahead and start preparing breakfast. I'm actually making toasted bread and black tea for yeah, our morning meal. So stay tuned.
I recall the past again tonight.
Guys, I have one big issue when I'm filming in my kitchen. The camera positioning, most of the time you find that it's wrong because the place is so small and my camera cannot fit on the kitchen counter. So you realize in this part here, you just see most of my back, and yeah, I think you can see a bit of what I'm doing. So I did not have time to do filming again because I was rushing to church. Yeah, so that's why I posted this. But next time when I'm filming on the counter, I think I'll try to make the camera appear clearer on what I'm doing, just the positioning. So yeah, that's why you can see my back. Just excuse it for today.
I recall the past again tonight. It's in the front of my mind. As I fall apart, you begin to cry. The tears are making you blind. The future's far away, but I'll stay. I'll stay. Just take a leap of faith. We'll find a way for you and me. Can't look back and run from what I feel inside. There's no more time to hide, because I feel again. I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life.
So after toasting the bread, I decided to make a French toast on the pan now, because I don't really love the taste of margarine in my mouth. So I decided to do this so that I try to at least cancel the taste of margarine. So I added eggs, and yeah, I did the toasted bread for my family. The other one, then I'll be eating this and my son. Yep. And guys, please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Please just remember to give the video a thumbs up. Okay, please support this channel just to motivate me to give you more videos. And I hope you're liking the video so far. And guys, please give me feedback in the comment section, what you loved, what you didn't love. Yeah, I embrace all feedback, negative and positive. Thank you.
I recall the past again tonight. It's in the front of my mind. As I fall apart, you begin to cry. The tears are making you blind. The future's far away, but I'll stay. I'll stay. Just take a leap of faith. We'll find a way for you and me. Can't look back and run from what I feel inside. There's no more time to hide, because
So fast forward to after church, guys. I'm making a quick lunch, just a quick fix. I wanted to make chapatis, but I couldn't because my baby was a bit too fussy. So I'm making ugali. Yeah, and it's only for 2 people. And I think this water is a bit too much. I put this size because I wanted something that would submerge the ugali that I'm putting. This one over here. So yeah, let's do this.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time. Just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason. But I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. The seasons turn and change.
And this is what we ate, guys. This is the food we had before. It was just in the freezer, so I just put it in the cooking pot and warmed it. And guys, I think we can all agree that my food presentation skills have been improving since I've been in this street. So thanks to you guys. Yep. So fast forward, guys, to just a bit of shopping that I did over the weekend. This one I did when I passed by Kangemi Market on my way from the team building session. So I bought these tomatoes at 100 shillings. They were going for 5 at 20 shillings, 5 pieces at 20 shillings. Then I bought the spring onions. These ones were totaling to up to 30 shillings, and I felt like that was a fairer price given the onion scarcity, the red onion scarcity, guys, the red onion scarcity that I just feel like onions are way too expensive. It's a waste of money. Yes, so I prefer going for spring onions because they even taste better in food. Yep. So these are also part of the things that I bought. I also bought Irish potatoes, though I had bought 2 tins. We had made the first like almost half of it we had cooked with it the night before. Yep. And these are also part of the groceries that I did. I don't know whether to call these groceries. Yeah, but it's just a shopping refill of part of stuff that I needed, just a few of them. So I bought bread. Part of it we used it for toasting in the morning. So this is the one we're remaining with. And then I bought tissue paper because we had run out, and cooking oil because my oil had also finished. I do use 5 liters per month, and if it runs out I'll have to add, but it's usually not that easy. So the month before I did not do a refill because I still had my cooking oil, so I just decided to buy this. Yep. And then I bought sugar, which is so freaking expensive. I don't know what's wrong with this country, but God help us, because oh my god, prices are way so expensive. Yep. So we'll go ahead, guys, to clean the cooker. Once you're done, we will start making dinner, and that will be the end of our video for today, so stay tuned.
Remember when you said it doesn't get better than this? Only a fool would've let you go. You got into my head. Am I about to lose myself? When will all of this fade away? 'Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black and white. And I'm caught up in the first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye one last time. I know that it's hopeless, but
So for dinner I'm only preparing omena because I still have more food left, the one we took during lunchtime. So I'll make this and make it with fresh milk because I always feel like it tastes better like that. And also omena is good for my boys' bone development since it's a lot of calcium. Yeah, so I'll prepare this for him, and then for us we'll eat the rest of the remaining food.
Remember when you said it doesn't get better than this? Only a fool would've let you go. You got into my head. Am I about to lose myself? When will all of this fade away? 'Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black and white. And I'm caught up in the first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye one last time. I know that it's hopeless, but we'll both be fine. 'Cause nothing's ever black and white. I don't see the fire in your eyes, wondering what I've done wrong. Those words are kinda...
And we are done with the cooking, so we are serving the food. Trust me, it tasted way better than it looks on the plate. I don't know why the serving makes it look boring. Yes, but it was nice, guys. We enjoyed. So bye, that's it for today.